How to log into TikTok on laptop or PC. So if you want to log into your TikTok on your laptop or PC, then first open up a browser, and you can simply choose any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. And once you're here on the browser, you need to simply search for tiktok.com, and here it will take you to this kind of page where you can use your QR code, or you can use your phone number, email address, or your username, or you can continue with your Line or Twitter, or you can continue as a guest. So if you don't have an account, go for sign up and create your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then you can choose the second option, which is comfortable. Or if you have the QR code, then you can simply use the QR code. So here, if you want to enter your phone number, then enter your phone number. Or if you want to log in with your email or username, you can choose email or username. So I'll be choosing login with phone. And here you need to enter the country code. Choose your country code and then enter your phone number. And you need to click on send code, and you will receive a 6-digit verification code to your mobile number. You just need to simply enter the code here. Once you've entered, click on login. Once you click on login, it will ask you to verify, and after verifying, your login will be successed. So that's it. That's how you can log into your account on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.